guys.
You got your stuff. It's a video. Ryan, what is that?
Princess Sophia
Cool.
toy.
Okay, put it down next to you and then keep taking it out. It's okay, Aaron. Just pick it off.
She wants to stand up, but she keeps falling down.
Have her lay down then.
Okay, keep grabbing stuff.
It's a matching game list card.
Right, keep taking it out.
36 game cards. 1 parent card. Storage tray.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's Bubbles.
Ooh, more pencils.
Yay! Always need pencils.
I always get pencils for Christmas. I don't know what. Toothbrush. Zoe.